Welcome to another quick hit of knowledge. Today, we're diving into the art of becoming a proficient software developer. Top of the list is continuous learning. In the ever-evolving tech industry, staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is key, so commit to learning something fresh every day. Now, onto code quality. It's crucial to write clean, easily understandable and maintainable code. Remember, code isn't just for machines, but also for your fellow developers who might work on it in the future. Next up is testing. Always test your code. It's the best way to catch those pesky bugs early and ensure your application functions as expected. Another essential practice is version control. Tools like Git are invaluable for tracking changes, collaborating with others, and retreating to previous code versions when necessary. Finally, communication. Being a good communicator is just as important as being a good coder. Whether you're throwing around ideas with your team or explaining complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders, effective communication is key. That's a wrap for today. Remember, becoming a proficient software developer is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep coding, and above all, savor the process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nuggets of wisdom. Until next time, happy coding!